Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the battery chemistry and locating a clean 12V access point because the memory saver must match the system. Once you have a 12V memory saver rated between 1 amp and 3 amps, attach its clamps to the battery terminals, positive to positive, negative to a chassis ground if instructed. Make sure to turn the ignition and all accessories off. This reduces load. Once connected, verify the memory saver shows power. If it has a polarity LED, it should light immediately. You loosen and remove the negative cable first to prevent short circuits, then the positive cable. This minimizes sparks. Once cables are off, unbolt the hold down clamp and carefully lift the battery straight up while keeping the memory saver connected to maintain system voltage. Make sure you do not rest the battery on any metal that could bridge terminals. If corrosion appears, clean it with a baking soda solution and a brush before installing the new unit. This improves connection quality and charging performance. You place the new battery into the tray, secure the hold-down clamp, and reconnect the positive cable first, followed by the negative. This order prevents accidental shorts. Once connected, cycle the ignition to wake modules and confirm voltage stability. Wait until gauges and infotainment retain settings. After several key cycles, disconnect the memory saver. If you encounter persistent error codes or retain settings that failed, try a quick OBD reset or cycle the key off and on. If problems continue, check ground connections and the memory saver polarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.